Hello everyone, my wonderful people. My name is Rama. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, well, thank you so much for stopping by today. I do have another video, another hair video. This is this beautiful crochet here. If you want to see how I install this one, please stay tuned.
Our puzzle pieces fit.
So my hair is freshly washed and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it all out, and then I'm just gonna start parting here. This one here I'm doing it in two sections. The front part I'm just gonna section in little squares, and just to make the crochet a little more realistic, and just walk with me and see how I did this front part.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
With that, there's so many ways you can do this, y'all. You can either go under your hair first and then put the loop through your hair, or you can just put the needle through the crochet first and then go underneath your hair and then just pull it through the loop and secure it just like that. And I will continue with this method until I've fully installed the whole thing through my hair. The same thing with the back as well.
Love me. What I need you to do is go hands up on my body. What I need you to do is whisper words in the backseat. What I need you to do is go hands up on my body. What I need you to
one thing that I would say when you're installing this crochet hair, because the loops are so small, you don't want to go too deep under your hair. You want to grab your hair a little bit on the top and then as little as possible so that the loop will securely stay in your hair. If you take too much of a chunky of your own hair while looping this hair, it may not stay flat and it may not stay secure. It might still be unraveling. So take your hair as small as possible. Don't go too much under, especially in the back, and try to secure it in some little hair as possible.
These sheets, your smell, can't be by myself. I'm asking for your help. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. What I need you to do is love me.
And that is the process that I used to install the whole thing. I believe it's full enough for me. It just depends on you. I believe I used about 6 packs. I didn't finish the whole 7 packs. And that's it. And this is the final look, guys. It looks really, really, really beautiful. It looks nice and full. And I like the fact that it's nice and full and it's not too much. So like I mentioned, it depends on you. If you don't want it as much, you don't have to put as much. If you want the whole big hair, you can always add some more, so it's totally up to you. But this is where I feel good with it, and I really like how it came out.
Love me. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. What I need you to do is your hands over my body. What I need you to do is whisper words in the backseat. What I need you to do is your hands over my body. What I need you to do is whisper words in the backseat. What I need you to do is love me. Love me. What I need you to do is love me.
Well, I don't do too much of styling, but well, this is you can put this in so many styles that you want. The hair is not that long, but it's long enough to do a little bit of 1 or 2 things to with it, and you can just make it look different. I just put a little bit on the top here, make a little bun on the top. You can secure it down with some bobby pins or some rubber band, whatever you choose to secure it with, and you create another style like that.
Feels too big without you. Don't know how to quit thinking about you. Those green eyes, sweet lips, your hands on my hips. Our puzzle pieces fit. These sheets, your smell, can't be by myself. I'm asking for your help. What I need you to do.
Well, my people, this is all I have for you guys today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Well, it helps the channel grow. So subscribe. Leave me comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Tell me that you like it, and thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
No, it's